How to remove filtering and sorting in collection pages on your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So by default, if you just go to your Shopify store and go to a collection page, I'm just going to go to the catalog here, for example. I have the filtering and sorting options here that I just want to remove. So how do we do so? It's very simple. Let's just go and get to it and show you exactly how to get rid of them. So first, log into your Shopify admin, go to online store, click on themes and click on edit theme. From here, you simply just want to visit the actual page, the collection page. So you can just click on that. I'm just going to go to the catalog. I'm just going to use this one as the example. Next up, we're going to find the collection heading here. We want to skip that. We are going to also find the collection itself. Don't click on the thing itself. Click on the arrow next to it. Now, this actually may depend on your theme because I think Dawn is a little bit different. This is Horizon theme. So for Horizon, you just want to click on the arrow next to it. I believe in Dawn, you are just going to click on the collection itself. Either way, you're going to find the option filtering and sorting. So this is going to be where you can set things up in here. So you have plenty of options to choose from, but most importantly, we can just feel free to completely hide it by clicking on this eye icon. And it's just going to be basically removed from our collection page. It's very simple. And yeah, we're pretty much done. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.